teacher.
Hello, what's your
My
name?
name is Tim.
How old are you?
I'm five. I'm 10 years old.
How are you today?
I'm five.
Okay, look at this. Okay, this is at the beach. Can you see the birds?
Yes, I can.
What color are they?
They are black and white.
What color are their beaks?
They are orange.
Okay, thank you. Where is the crab?
Here,
Okay. Where is the crab here?
the crab is next to the chair.
Okay, very good. What color is it?
It's red.
Okay. What is she wearing?
She wearing a swimsuit.
Is she happy?
Yes, she is.
Okay, what are they doing? Look at this. These two children, what are they doing?
They are playing with sand.
Okay, now let's look at these cards. Which is the pumpkin?
Here, it's pumpkin.
Okay, I'm putting the pumpkin under the chair. Okay, so where's the pumpkin now?
The pumpkin is under the chair.
Okay, very good. Now put the pumpkin next to the castle. Okay, where is the pumpkin now?
The pumpkin is next to the sand castle. Castle.
Okay, very good. Which is the witch?
Here is the witch.
Okay. Put the witch on the umbrella.
On the umbrella.
Okay, the umbrella is here.
Yeah.
Put the witch on the umbrella. Okay, where's the witch?
The witch is on the umbrella.
Okay, where is the plum?
Thumb.
Plum in these pictures.
Yes. Here is the.
Okay, put the plum under the chair. Okay, where is the plum now?
The plum is under the chair.
Okay. Now let's go to the part 3 of your speaking test. Okay, what is this?
Is this a hat?
It's a hat. Okay. What color is it?
It's white and brown.
Do you like to wear cap?
No.
No eye?
No, I not.
How many hats do you have?
I have three the calf.
Okay. Okay, look at this. What is it?
It's camera.
What color is it?
It's yellow, purple, and crayon.
Okay, very good. Do you like taking photos?
No, I'm not.
Okay, this one. What is it?
It's a crocodile.
Where can you see it?
In the zoo or in the forest.
Are you scared of wild animals?
Yes, I'm very scared.
Okay. Okay, what is it?
It's a cat.
Have you got any pet?
Yes, I have.
What color are they?
They are red and yellow. Oh no, it's white.
Do
Red
you
and
like do you like wild animals?
No, I don't like.
And what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
Now let's talk about your favorite animal. Do you like go to the zoo?
Yes, I like.
Who do you go with?
I go with Parent.
What do you do at the zoo?
Mm, I play with wild animals and
And
finish.
okay, tell me about your favorite animal.
My favorite animal is dog.
Why? Why dog?
Why dog? It's so cute.
Okay, thank you so much.
Goodbye,
Goodbye.
teacher.